Never said you for a pop. Or a first so maybe I don't ever send your body. Let me be so I saw me tired of one. Or maybe I didn't fear and tell him. Then so I tell my best on your body. We get in. Just see me so sad. That then I'm a new woman to be coming in our actually. Let's see me so sad. And I'll write the best. I will say play and obey you. Say a shilling patcher and your my never family never can there was to didn't know me yet no matter to play your work so near and you don't pass through on the phone not a sorry I was saying I work out now I want to be a sound you from your I'm from the south just out of Sweden and Lumia. Say you be the power. Say Santano. Say that and I will channel. Allah, say the bump of food. Yeah, now the come and in Yamawati. So we see woman, please to you. Why should I say that? You're not the guest one. You're my Yamel. Oh, Christopher. Now I live now, I'm now it's here. And I don't rest. When he has so that's another place on food. I see it yes, so kids are not changing. What's what you do? Quality second, Corinthians chapter 5. Meaning, I say, my retro. I was saying, come back is
Nyame,
said it will be forever. They can forward the amount. They can focus on the amount what take. And then I don't bread. And then quite that. Abraham wine and I don't want children. Abraham wine and I don't want man. They can focus to the amount what take. Matthew 24, 42 to 44. No.
I say. It's young way. If we say Munim da.
If we say Nim Takwa, the best on a
Mura Beba.
Young Rabba or the party said on no party. Now I can't say me quite Libya and answer German Yapa. Now I never taste of a public Drew Ghana and perfume. Or of a banner more show. If it's all a pearl corner, I'll catch us some bar empty. Maybe and one show down, then so a barber tomb perfume. Ababa braba na opo e kan focus to the amount what it etane baba perfume etane baba ni oni na onso etane baba na wudi bone etane baba na otie gama momu etane baba na takayo mo etane baba na tade frupa bi mo etane baba na taba ekuru bi mo etane na otie wudi sem bi mo e kan focus to the amount what it jeme so amen
amen
why na bra mo dey want to no so we don't want to Christ so. And I would dear with your padia war, and I don't want to so. Make a follow the Yamawate. What didn't you found poor Christo? John 14 says no, was a man quino. No quano, and then quano. What's so be my challenge? This son name so Jimmy so amen.
Amen.
I love them one, and I don't want Trino. What do watch Christo? And I don't want you to say, a boy, a chamajaguso. Sick I swore, and I chamajaguso. Arafoa and kwa JBL and Mate. Jemiso amen.
Amen.
To us so.
To us 43 was say. Namuni ye say.
Naya say.
If you're running in what the swa.
If you're running in what the swa.
Or you for the back.
What you for the back. Go better. And come back. Okay, 20. Hey, winning bread running besania bar. Any carbe. First Peter 4:17. Come in on. You tell her that some more. Petro Medical 89. If you don't so I was see a Jumba channel. But if I want a blame more than one channel. Why a blame more than one man? Now it is a tabuano. Would be for Nagasanidium. I found you Christo what it. Now Christo knew or put tire. What do want you now winning him the Biarada? Petro Medical 89. If you don't so abano, we may tell you asem. If you have something to say,
I say, Atemo are a young free.
Atemo a young free here.
Now a brand new every
now, brother, say,
Atemo free.
Atemo free, send Uncle Puffy.
Now say a free and so can.
Let's a so can ya.
A baby 1 hour won't see now.
A baby 1 hour to Uncle Bassam Pano say. Well, Christo, what did Christo do? Eddie? When him class already be Edina Timo da be free on Ankasani free. I'm afraid what Christo ye? You can for Christo the Amawati. What's on the Temo Tano? Ebe for Ankasani Jim. What's in the surface so can ya? A very well known to an Uncle Passam Pan say. What's on the head say? What bed you on the Patrinia? I don't follow Uncle Pano. Ebejina. Ha, we are seeing Ebia now the also Christo Nibiano. Ebia now Christo Nibiama. O Christo Biama. Christo Biamo. We can forward them out. What's in a say to say? obejo ni patrini a I na don fero Nyankopon ebegina
o de bonne for begina
adafo wo pia edi boyani wo so adi Kristo ni adi wadi Kristo di adi o nanso wo da so to boni o da so te no ma bia se fatam enka obi enka oba Kristo ma ya bode foforo na ka na mala da ni atwam no adafo no na o da so atim me busa o se Kristo ma ya to so ni pia enkwaje no benya bi dia ma okra Kristo ma ya to so ni pia pofrima inu ni no oje ba ni benya me kan fu Kristo dia ma wate enani atombre na ni nkwaje da why na don't watch no so I don't watch Kristo any I don't watch obetai so I don't watch awurade na ha enkwaje ba mi no ni no edia 24:39 was say
19
24:39 Matthew 24:39 O Kristo ni me kan fa awurade dia ma wate wanon kwa ne kwai no wanon kwa ne kan kreti onipa wanon kwa ne kwai no odofo fa won to sa kwai no so
Matthew 24:39
Ebremo wo de watwe dua bi enkwaje ni wate jemi so amen
amen
Matthew 24:39 what say
o se na wo hunu de kosi se nsuo be fa won nyina koye
na wo hunu de kosi se nsuo be fa won nyina ekoye Ezekiel 24:35 coming out was so not as we trim na rather some dey ntwam da bi lata na 37 no say na said you know anam ye no say ne ruade da ne ebeje adafo be ye hunyanya da be ye hu kire da be ye osu da onipa be twan ne se libusa o say nkwaje be na hwede ama okra wie bremu enani atombre na ne nkwaje da libusa o say wan and I don't watch no we don't watch Kristo we don't watch sa obotai no O Kristo nie fawa kwa chenesa wojidine fawo re chenimu ye wonyame a otiasida oyem defo nyame ye wonyame o Kristo nie fawo re chenimu wojidine fawa kwa chenesa ye wonyame otiasida onimdefo nyame ye wonyame wo Kristo nie fawa kwa Kristo nsawate wojidine fawo chenimo afise onyame a woyemdefo wone na mpawo wone na nyawo wone omanyanyero mu no wabaso obejew adofo John 14:6 no wose me ne kwai no nkwa no ne kwale no wose obi maja no nchei this one na me mawurade so adofo fawo to Kristo wate wone na nkwaje kura no wone na kwanse kosua adofo ebra enya shasase ase na Onyankopon nyɛ no Bible sin wo ho wone na no wone na ho ojiri nie fa wakwa hye ne mu o Kristo nie fa wuru hye ne mu wo yonimdefo nyame waso ampao waso ni nyaw da biara da ena wiase abrabo na onipa di akire ena kawede se ba chawnia na wo jew woni se wonya ho nyanya bi nyanya ho Mark chapter 16 verse number 50 coming was say yankwa wiase amana manyara yankeka na asem ne nchira wona wajira wadampo chire mu no Odafo won no ne keka awurade asem kire mo wase dia obeji asem na bi no yanchie mo na sunche aja oba ena kunkuji mo o Kristo ye bibusa se bremo why na do rashe ni mo wodiri ne bibusa se bremo why na do wato no so wodi dua bia nkwa ready dua bia enche na buo dua bia enche na nkakawe dua bia enche na enipa be bu asidai dua bia enche na atutu akwhwe dua bia enche mframa fa na abubuo eno na odo ho ato so ojiri ni ene emua wate na kanfu Kristo di amount enani atombre enani nkwade da wose na seye dinse wobejo ni patri ni nia ehina de won felo Nyankopon ni bejira wo Kristo nie me kanfu Kristo di amount wate ha ojiri nie me kanfu Awurade di amount wate fa won to Kristo so na no na enkwaje ewom fa won to Awurade so na no na enkunde be ya odia fa won to Awurade so na no na fa wodie wo aha na osuni wo odafo she osoro bi edi amane ma ayaya na se be na say na pedi aso dio enye ye na ye te bani mu na temo da no so be fo no kase ne di mu na say ye de se obedu ni patrin ni a enye na do mfele onyankopon ne begina adafo 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse number 18 no kenka for yenko
1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse number 18
Corinthians fo ma di kai
na asenu ano so ho asem no ye nkwase asem ma wa
na asenu ano ho asem no ye nkwase asem ma wona wayira no adafo eye menu mienu ye ye koso atena bani mu no ye ye te bani mu no ye na asenu na se Kristo be ba ne nsem e de ma ye wate ye na odi ni moncha no e be pata ma menu mienu adafo te bani mu enka achi enani adombre ene ba to ka obofo o ma ntibrim to aso
chapter 18 eba no say na eye onyankopon tumi ma yen a woro
na ye onyankopon tumi ma ona why dey
origi yankwa
wale ji yankwa odofo according to 2 Peter chapter 3 verse number 8 come no wasen kan finshia premier Awurade sedako na kada ko ye Awurade say finshia primo na mmom so on pese obi biara ba yira odofo enyinti na amma ne boshe na wo she no achewe Jemeso amen.
Amen.
What did it? Minu me no point in a cost worth no. Intina Meradi a chene bow or castle of a ban. Nankawa pamper film. Minu me and young bunny intra. Minu me no yan tibia timwa. A chia for frog up penimuno. And Intina ma on yama. Yeah. Well, Christo Bible say into doing papa one a man. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
To us.
It was 19 or see if we say what you say.
Every say what you say.
Message of Fonians.
Message of Fonians.
I remember him the phone in the what you say?
Ojini why you nyansa what you panim was your Christian. What did no ma bien sem fatamo? What from what Christian was so message of Nyansa no I dey.
Man in the phone.
One man in the phone and
I kwa.
Susuti muti wate. If I want to Christo so. Susuma also me pass sorry. Me a plan me angry can me a Romani, me a one me a genie until I get paid. Pane pay. And I was there. Now start from what genie. Ha, was it the yen is so with John on your day. One train, one she has. Jemeso amen.
Amen.
May come for Christo the amount what it.
Amen.
What?